nga sa isang artikulo na Popin, favorite po nila ang SB19, how SB19 put P-pop on the global map from viral beginning to the global stage. It started with Go Up, the viral moment that changed everything. In 2019, SB19 was still building its name as an emerging Filipino pop group. Their song Go Up became a major burning point after their dance practice went viral online. The performance introduced SB19 to a much wider audience, including international fans. What started as a single viral moment helped create the growing 18 community and gave more people outside the Philippines a reason to discover P-pop. Their global presence expanded further in 2026 through an appearance at the Grammy Museum Global Spin Live, a historic performance as the first Filipino act at Lollapalooza, Chicago, and performances at Japan Summer Sonic Festival, bringing Filipino music and P-pop to some of the world's most influential platforms and stages. Through organized streaming, voting, social media campaigns, concert attendance, and support for every release, 18 helped amplify SB19 across borders. Their collective efforts strengthened the group's chart presence, contributed to fan-voted victories, and introduced more international listeners to P-pop. SB19's global rise is not only the story of 5 artists, but also of a dedicated community that continues to carry Filipino music to the world. And here are some of the milestones that helped bring SB19 and P-pop to the global stage. 2022 SEC Awards Brazil International Group Duo of the Year. 2023 Asia Artist Awards Best Artist Award Singer Hot Trend Award, Breakthrough 2 Awards International Male Group, 2024 Breakthrough Awards International Male Group, Nickelodeon Kids Choice Awards International Male Group, Billboard Power 100 Voices of Asia Award 2024-2026 SEC Award Brazil International Group Duo of the Year, and 2026 SEC Award Brazil International Album EP of the Year Wakas at Simula. Kaya naman po hindi natin maiaalis sa mga Brazilian 18 na manawagan at mag-rally na magkaroon na nga po na it's about time na mag-concert po doon ang SB19. Yan po ay na-i-update ng isang Facebook na ang mga 18 Brazil ay nananawagan na nga po na sana magbigay na po ng oras, panahon para sa kanila ang grupo na mag-concert doon at makita naman nila ng personal ang SB19. From viral sensation to global breakthrough, some of the milestones that helped bring SB19 and P-pop to the global stage. Grabe po talaga, napakarami po na naging achievement ng SB19 dahil na rin sa kanilang dedication. 2019 Next Big Sound became the first Filipino group to enter Billboard's Next Big Sound chart. 2023 Gento reached number 8 on Billboard's World Digital Song Sale chart. 2019-2020 Social 50, first Filipino act to enter the chart in 2019 and later reach number 2 in 2020. 2025 Dam became the one or the first P-pop song and SB19 the first Filipino act to top Billboard's World Digital Song Sale chart. 2021-2022 Bazinga spent 7 weeks at number 1 on Billboard's Hot Trending Song chart. 2025 Simula at Wakas reached number 17 on Billboard Japan's Top Album Sale chart, making SB19 the first Filipino group to enter it. At ngayon naman po ay namamayagpag din ang Lawless sa Spotify. At yan ang ating show with Snap Update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.